Many new Outlook users have been asking how to send an email to OneNote. I used to do it in Classic, want to be able to do it in New Outlook, and yes, you can. Let me show you how, and let's get started. Okay, so I have an email already open here, and if you remember, we used to have a send to OneNote icon up here in the top ribbon. It's not there. If you look in this area, as you already know, it's not here. Well, it's in the custom actions. If you click on apps, that's where it's buried. You see send to OneNote. If you also click on the more options, you will see it here as well, only if you have clicked on Customize Actions and have it selected. So let's go ahead and click on it, Send to OneNote, give it time to load, and now you can choose which notebook you want to send your email to. I have a couple more things to share with you and a limitation you should be aware of. Right now, here's my email in the message pane with the reading pane enabled. If I click on it, notice that you still will see the apps and with the send to OneNote, as well as you'll see it here as well. What you cannot do is right click on the message and send from OneNote. We normally would like to do it from the message pane, and if we had multiple emails that we wanted to include, we can do that. This information has been shared with the Microsoft engineers. They are aware of it, and it's on their backlogs for more improvements for sending emails to OneNote. So stay tuned for that and work your magic.